Hi, I'm Scott. In this tutorial, I will show you how Comfy UI can help you build digital assets to promote your product or message. Imagine being able to easily create realistic AI characters like this, placing them in an environment, making them talk,
Today, we will be looking at how
and
simple
mashing them up
snippets
with
of
other
code.
images to create promotional material, like a YouTube thumbnail. Comfy is an AI creation engine that allows you to generate images, video, audio, and more. You build powerful AI workflows by connecting nodes on an infinite canvas. Every model, parameter, and processing step is visible and adjustable, and no coding necessary. To run Comfy UI locally, ideally your system would have a high-end GPU with at least 8 gigabytes of VRAM, like mine. But if this is not the case, you can always run your workflows through Comfy Cloud. Either way, the next video will show you how to start creating with Comfy UI. Now we will be using Comfy UI locally, so we head over to docs.comfy.org and choose Local Self-Hosted here on the left. The easiest option is to use a traditional installer, so select the appropriate installation for your system and follow the instructions. But if you're on Windows like me, then you have the option to install Comfy UI Portable. The benefits of this version is that no formal installation is required. You simply extract the archive to any location. You can easily copy the entire folder to an external hard drive or another PC without needing to reinstall. It runs from a self-contained folder with its own embedded Python, making it perfect for custom setups, flash drives, and avoiding system Python conflicts. To remove Comfy from your system, simply delete the folder. In either case, make sure your system satisfies the requirements. If you're on Windows, then you can view your system settings by pressing Ctrl-Shift-Escape to bring up the Task Manager. This tutorial was tested on a laptop running Windows 11 with an Intel processor, 32 gigabytes of memory, and an NVIDIA RTX 5060 graphics card with 8 gigabytes of VRAM. So first, let's download the archive. Because I have an NVIDIA RTX series GPU, I select this version. Once downloaded, I choose to move the archive out of the Downloads folder and into another folder I created called Tools, where I right-click it and extract the archive. Once this is done, I open the extracted folder. You can browse the README file if you like, but for me it recommends that I double-click the Run NVIDIA GPU BAT file here. This opens a terminal and the installation takes place. Once finished, Comfy UI opens automatically in your web browser. As you can see, we're presented with a blank canvas. To help us navigate Comfy, we first enable the Comfy UI Manager extension. If you go back to the Comfy webpage, you'll find this under Install Custom Nodes here on the left. Navigate to the Install page. If you followed along with me and installed the portable version of Comfy. Then to enable the Manager extension, we need to do two things. First, we install the Manager dependencies. To do this, we click the copy icon and navigate back to Comfy's installation folder. That's the folder containing the Run NVIDIA GPU BAT file we double-clicked earlier. Right-click in the empty space below the files and select Open in Terminal. Then right-click to paste the command you copied, then press Enter. This will install the dependencies. The second thing we need to do is adjust the BAT file to launch Comfy UI with the Manager enabled. Copy only the portion shown, then navigate back to the Run NVIDIA GPU BAT file. Open it with a text editor like Notepad and paste it at the end of the line shown. Don't change anything else. Save and exit. In order for the changes to take effect, we need to restart the Comfy server. Go back to that terminal where we installed Comfy, type Ctrl-C, then type Y and Enter. This will shut down the server. Double-click the Run NVIDIA GPU BAT file to restart it. If all went well, we should now see a button labeled Extensions. near the top of the interface. Pressing this opens the manager that allows us to install, remove, disable, and enable various custom nodes of Comfy UI. Let's search for Workflow Models Downloader. This is a useful third-party node that scans workflows for required models and downloads them automatically. Check that the author matches and then press Install. Once the install is complete, we apply changes, and once this is complete, we can close the manager and refresh the page. We should now see a Workflow Models Download button near the top of the interface. Let's create our first AI workflow and see the downloading of models in action. By clicking the templates icon in the sidebar, we get access to a huge range of pre-existing Comfy UI workflow templates. Let's filter this list to only display text to image workflows. And scroll down to select this one that uses the Flux 1 dev model. Hovering over the description tells us that this workflow is suitable for devices with limited VRAM. Once loaded, we notice that we have several errors because of missing models. Let's download them using the Workflow Models Downloader. In the panel that opens, select Download All Missing. The missing models will be downloaded and placed in their correct locations in the Installation folder. Some of these models are huge and may take some time to download. Once downloaded, we clear the error message by reloading the page. We're now ready to run our first workflow. Adjust the prompt if you wish and press Run. After some time, the job will finish, resulting in a generated image. By right-clicking, you can save this to wherever you wish. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Comfy UI Portable and run your first basic workflow. In the next tutorial, we look at other workflows that can help you build digital assets for your projects. If you enjoyed this video, please give a like or subscribe to the channel. Feel free to leave feedback and suggestions for further tutorials.